We're getting a breaking input at this point from the international front. Now, US President Donald Trump has officially signed the commission to confirm Kash Patel as the ninth director of the Federal Bureau of Investigation. And on this, Kash Patel has reacted and he has said, and I quote, "I'm honored to be confirmed as the ninth director of Federal Bureau of Investigation. Thank you to President Trump and Attorney General Bondi for your unwavering confidence and support," unquote. All right, so this is, of course, a very crucial development that is coming in as far as the appointment of the ninth director of FBI is concerned. Kash Patel has now been appointed as the ninth director of FBI. I'm in fact joined by CNN News 18's Akansha Swaroop on this broadcast. Akansha, we have seen the kind of opposition that the Democrats had against Kash Patel, but it seems it was all futile and Kash Patel has made it as the ninth director of the FBI.
Absolutely, Sherin. This is in fact being regarded as a very critical moment for US politics. He's the first FBI director with Indian origin roots, something he's taken immense pride in. Remember, he had also talked about it during his confirmation hearing when he referred to his parents who were seated there, his sister, and how, he deeply values and regards his Indian values. But that apart, as you talked about, how this was a very narrow margin of vote. He was confirmed in a party line vote of 51 to 49. In fact, two Republicans also joined the Democrats against him. They cited concerns over his qualifications to lead the agency. They've also claimed that, Kash Patel will be pursuing retribution against the critics because they believe that Kash Patel will be somebody who may lack the judgment and experience and that he's not fully qualified to keep Americans safe as the FBI director. Well, that's what the Democrats believe. But to most Republicans, Kash Patel is also seen as a disruptor whose lead is now overdue, and they believe that he will be shaking up the United States top law enforcement agency. Many, including from the Donald Trump camp, Sherin, claim that the FBI has been weaponized against conservatives. Remember, there was already a massive controversy during the previous tenure of Christopher Wray, who was in fact picked by Donald Trump in his previous presidency in 2017. And Christopher Wray had resigned before Donald Trump's inauguration last month. And the president had also indicated that he would fire Christopher Wray. But here's Kash Patel, who's in fact already been endorsed by Donald Trump. The White House has already released his confirmation. At the same time, the conservative conference is happening on political action. So there was a lot of chatter about Kash Patel now being confirmed as the FBI director at that conservative conference as well. Let's see how Kash Patel is going to be when he gets down to business.
All right. Many thanks, Akansha, for getting us all those details regarding how Kash Patel has now been appointed as the ninth director of the FBI. Now, moving on, the United States Agency for International Development, USAID, has been in focus ever since Donald Trump returned to power in the US last month. Now, currently, the BJP and Congress have been trading charges over $21 million funding